Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install or set up Parrot Security OS 7.0 stable release on VirtualBox by using pre-built image. Okay, first go to Parrot Security OS official website. It is parrotsec.org. See here, the latest release at the time of making this video is 7.0. Click on download or download, both are same. Now we have to choose the categories. Live means it is ISO file. Virtual means it is the pre-built image. So click on virtual, then select the edition, security or home. Security is for pen testing or Red Hat team operations. Click on it, then select the architecture. Then see here, default username is user and password is password. This is the release date and this is the code name. Okay, and see here we have two options. Download means direct method or by using torrent. See here, click on download, then see here we have the VirtualBox or VMware products. In this video I am going to set up on VirtualBox. So click on this VirtualBox, then click on download. Click on it. See, download started. See here its size is about 8.6 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded Parrot Security 7.0 WAV file. Okay, in your case wait until download completes. Once download completes, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now we have to go to file and select import appliance. Then click on this browse button and select the downloaded WAV file. Go to downloads. See here we have the WAV file. Click on it, open. Then click on settings. See, this is the guest OS type is Debian, CPUs, RAM size, network adapter, sound card. Okay, then see here machine base folder. I want to change it, so click on drop down and select other, then select the path where you have the NO space. Then select the folder, then click on finish. See, now it is importing appliance. Wait until this percentage becomes to 100%. If we go to that path, see now it is importing. Okay, see VDI is importing. See, import is completed. Now see here size is 11.4 gigabytes. This is the VirtualBox file. Now if you want to change these properties, right click and click on settings, or just select it and click on settings. This is the virtual machine name. If you want some other, you can provide. Okay, then memory 4 gigabytes, system processor I want to give only two CPUs, storage, see it is 64 gigabytes. Okay, click on OK. Now click on start. See, default username is user, then password is, go to here, see here password is Parrot. Okay, so provide password Parrot, hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. Now open terminal or console, increase the font size by pressing Ctrl++, more / etc OS - release. See, we have set up the Parrot Security OS 7.0. Next step is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. I strongly recommend you to change the password of this currently logged in user, that is user. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, it is going to upgrade 141 packages and installing 4 packages. If you want, type A and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to install or set up Parrot Security OS 7.0 on VirtualBox by using pre-built image. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.